Windfall One Problems, you want me win. This is your friend James. We're going to do the unboxing of this. I got the camera's upside down. The thing's tilted. This is the Røde microphone. It's NTUSB, NTUSB. So I think that's pretty neat. Studio quality. It's pre-ordered. This is today. I'm filming this on the 2nd of May, and so it was pre-ordered. So we ordered it specifically for usage for the church, because we're live streaming because of the stay-at-home order by our particular governor. So we do thank the Lord. We used a shotgun mic we've been using the shotgun mic before. This is such a heavy box, y'all. We've been using the shotgun mic, so you can see that's nice. Isn't that so neat? With the camcorder that's recording this right now. God bless the Australians. Oh, wow. It's the exact same thing, just almost black and white. But anyways, so it's just an unboxing, and I'll do a review later. We'll do a review later because we're going to use it tomorrow. We're going to implement it. This is, of course, the USB stuff. Hook up. Oh, that's cute, the little Røde thing. Man, I'm glad we decided to stick with Røde. I was at Berklee College of Music at the beginning of the century, and it was pretty. Oh, you know this. Oh, and it's so heavy too, y'all. This thing is. Oh, and it tilts, and it's got the magnetic thing, so you can remove it if you need to. That's pretty cool. Wow. And there's the bottom of it too. This is just neat, y'all. And it's got the logo at the top, and there's the back for the thing. And we'll give you a review, of course, when we implement it. We have to use it tomorrow, because tomorrow's Sunday, and we're going to be using it for church. So that's the unboxing. It's pretty neat. The little silver thing. Sorry, y'all. The camera really is. The camera's right side up, but the little thing the little LCD screen is actually upside down. It has a great texture. With this, oh yeah, the camera's picking up 1080p. It has a great texture. And it's nice and heavy, which means that either A, they faked it. Well, there's the earphone thing to change the things of the earphones, but they either A, they faked it by putting a lot of weight in, like that one headphone company that put weight in their things to make it sound like it was sturdier, or B, they did a good job. I'm gonna stick with B because we used Røde for many years, and so that's the unboxing. And ladies and gentlemen, as we say is that, and of course we will do a review because we have to use it tomorrow. So we love y'all, and live, move, be.